Hey guys, welcome to a series called Learn SQL in 3 minutes. Today we are going to learn a function called group by function in SQL. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the computer screen and let me tell you why, when and how we use group by function in SQL. So let me show you the computer screen now. So guys, I am opening my PG admin and I have created this table here, the sales data table. So this table contains data from a e-commerce sales data. Okay, and I have uploaded the data set and I have called this table here, and you can see the data that we have in this column. So first let me tell you why we use group by function. So most in the cases, if we have like this kind of data set and we have to find the total sales or something, that we have to find the aggregate values according to some groups or category. In these cases we use group by function in SQL. So in this case, like we have this data set and we have to find the total sales according to the category or product name or the date, whatever it is. In this case we use group by function. So let me show you how we can use group by in SQL. So let me have a task that we have to find the total sales according to the category here. Okay, so let me select the category here. Select category. Okay, and sum of total sales. Sorry guys. Okay, we have underscore here. Sum of total sales from the table name is sales data. Okay, so we write the table name here. Now after using from, we use here group by function. Group by, we have to group this total sales according to the category. Okay, so let's write down here the category and we will use an alias here, the revenue. Okay, let me capitalize it. So this is done guys, we have used the group by function. Let me show you the output we are getting from this function here, this query. So guys, as you can see in the result here, we have grouped the total sales according to the category of the products, like in accessories and electronics. These two categories we have in this data set. So this is all about this function, how we use group by in SQL query. I hope guys this video put some value in your learning journey. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and be ready for the next video with the next solution. Till then, bye bye.